Google Drive is more than just a place to store your files. It has powerful hidden features that can boost your productivity, keep your workspace organized, and make your workflow smoother. In this video, we're uncovering some of Google Drive's best kept secrets so you can get more done in less time. Let's dive in. One hidden feature many people don't notice is Priority Workspace. This section automatically surfaces your most important files using AI. If you're juggling multiple projects, Priority helps you jump back into your work instantly without digging through folders. You can even create workspaces, custom groups of files from different locations. So everything you need is in one place. It's perfect for school, business, or content creation. Another incredibly useful tool is search chips, also known as advanced filters. When you search in Google Drive, you can instantly filter results by file type, owner, location, last modified date, and more. This makes finding a specific document way faster. If you remember only a few words or the kind of file you're looking for, search chips narrow it down in seconds. Now, let's talk about a feature that feels like magic: quick access. At the top of your drive, you'll see suggestions for files you're most likely to open. Drive learns your habits, so the more you use it, the smarter it gets. Many people ignore this route, but it actually saves you tons of time, especially during busy days. Another hidden gem is version history. Anytime you upload a file with the same name as an existing file, Google Drive lets you keep both versions or update the old one while storing previous versions. You can restore old files, compare changes, or track who edited what if you're collaborating. It's a lifesaver when you accidentally overwrite something important. Speaking of collaboration, many users don't know that Google Drive allows you to assign tasks directly from comments. Just use the @ sign, tag a name, and check the box that says Assign to. The person will get a notification and a task added to their Google Tasks list. It's a simple but powerful way to manage group work without switching apps. Another hidden feature is offline access. You can mark files to be available offline so you can edit them even without internet. When you reconnect, Drive automatically syncs your changes. This is perfect if you're traveling, have unstable Wi-Fi, or just want to work uninterrupted. And here's a fun one: Google Drive OCR. You can upload an image or a PDF and convert it into editable text simply by opening it in Google Docs. Drive will extract all the readable text for you. No extra apps needed. It's great for scanned documents, receipts, or notes you want to turn into digital text. And finally, check out color-coded folders and emoji folder names. These little customization tricks make your drive more visual and organized. Color and emojis help you spot your folders instantly, especially if you're managing a lot of files. Google Drive is packed with powerful tools. You just have to know where to look. Start using these hidden features, and you'll notice a big improvement in how fast and organized your workflow becomes. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you won't miss more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching.